Managing high cholesterol is crucial for maintaining optimal health, especially when it comes to heart disease, stroke, and other complications. Many people turn to natural remedies to lower cholesterol levels, and one such potent remedy is Arjuna Bark Tea. Known for its remarkable benefits in Ayurveda, Arjuna Bark has been used for centuries to support cardiovascular health and reduce cholesterol. In this video, we will explore the benefits of Arjuna Bark Tea, how it works, and why it should be a part of your daily routine for better cholesterol management. Understanding high cholesterol. Before delving into the benefits of Arjuna Bark Tea, it's essential to grasp the importance of managing high cholesterol. Cholesterol is a fatty substance in the blood, and while the body needs it to build healthy cells, too much of it can cause serious health issues. There are two main types of cholesterol: low-density lipoprotein, LDL, often referred to as bad cholesterol, and high-density lipoprotein, HDL, or good cholesterol. When LDL levels are elevated, it can lead to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular diseases. As you know, regulating cholesterol levels, particularly LDL, is crucial for preventing long-term heart-related complications. What is Arjuna Bark Tea? Arjuna, Terminalia Arjuna, is a tree native to India and has been a staple in Ayurvedic medicine for its heart-healthy properties. The bark of the Arjuna tree contains bioactive compounds like flavonoids, tannins, saponins, and powerful antioxidants that contribute to various health benefits, particularly in cardiovascular health. The tea is made by steeping dried Arjuna bark in hot water. This traditional preparation has been shown to provide hypercholesterolemic effects, which means it helps in lowering cholesterol. Research published in the Journal of the Association of Physicians of India reveals that Arjuna bark demonstrates cholesterol-lowering properties comparable to those of vitamin E. Health benefits of Arjuna Bark Tea for cholesterol management. Reduces LDL cholesterol. One of the primary benefits of Arjuna Bark Tea is its ability to lower LDL or bad cholesterol levels. The compounds in the bark inhibit cholesterol absorption in the intestines and promote its excretion from the body. This natural process helps manage overall cholesterol levels and prevents the buildup of fatty deposits in the arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis. Rich in antioxidants, Arjuna bark is loaded with antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, two factors closely linked to cardiovascular disease. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals in the body, preventing damage to the arterial walls. This protective effect supports vascular health and enhances the cardiovascular system's overall integrity. Regulates blood pressure. In addition to lowering cholesterol, Arjuna bark has been found to regulate blood pressure levels. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a common issue among people with elevated cholesterol levels. Drinking Arjuna bark tea may help maintain healthy blood pressure levels, further reducing the strain on the heart and minimizing the risk of heart disease. Supports heart function. Arjuna bark has been traditionally used in Ayurveda to strengthen the heart muscle and improve circulation. By improving heart function and reducing strain on the cardiovascular system, Arjuna bark tea offers long-term benefits for overall heart health. Improves overall lipid profile. Regular consumption of Arjuna bark tea not only reduces LDL cholesterol but also helps maintain a healthy balance of HDL cholesterol. This good cholesterol works by transporting excess cholesterol from the arteries back to the liver, where it is processed and eliminated. By balancing LDL and HDL levels, Arjuna bark tea helps maintain a healthy lipid profile. How to incorporate Arjuna bark tea into your daily routine. Incorporating Arjuna bark tea into your daily life is easy and convenient. Here's how you can make it a part of your routine. Sourcing the right ingredients. Always buy high-quality Arjuna bark from trusted suppliers or Ayurvedic stores. Ensure that the bark is dried and clean for optimal health benefits. Preparation. To prepare Arjuna bark tea, take about 1-2 teaspoons of dried Arjuna bark and steep it in a cup of hot water for 5-10 minutes. The longer you steep, the stronger the infusion will be, allowing the beneficial compounds to be fully absorbed into the water. Serving suggestions. You can enjoy the tea plain, or if you prefer, you can enhance the flavor by adding natural sweeteners like honey or stevia. For those who like an extra touch of flavor, a dash of cinnamon or ginger can be added for additional health benefits. Frequency of consumption. Drinking Arjuna bark tea once or twice a day is sufficient for most people. However, for those with higher cholesterol levels, it may be beneficial to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Final thoughts. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, but it can be managed effectively with natural remedies like Arjuna Bark Tea. Rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and bioactive elements, Arjuna Bark Tea not only helps lower LDL cholesterol but also supports heart health and regulates blood pressure. By incorporating this Ayurvedic remedy into your daily routine, you can take proactive steps toward better cardiovascular health. While Arjuna Bark Tea offers many benefits, it's essential to remember that maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and regular exercise, is key to managing cholesterol levels. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Take control of your heart health naturally with Arjuna Bark Tea and enjoy the numerous health benefits it offers for your cholesterol levels and overall well-being.